Hello guys, I'm Sham and welcome to Sham's Garden. Well, a few of you have been asking me on how to grow microgreens at your home without sunlight. Well, it's quite possible, but a lot of you would make quite a few mistakes in growing microgreens. That the seeds may sprout, but they may not produce real leaves. Or you may have overwatered that they started rotting. So you'll need some old containers. Any kind of old container would do, but most preferably I'll say some flat containers would be better. And you'll need some tissue papers and some fresh seeds. Try not to go with old seeds because they may develop fungus. Make sure to soak seeds which have really hard seed coat, like green gram has hard seed coat. If you soak it for 6 to 12 hours, it will absorb water and the germination will be quite well. Sprinkle the seeds on top of the wet tissue paper. Don't try to clump seeds in quite one place. After sprinkling the seeds on the tissue paper, just cover it with another tissue so that the moisture is preserved.
Six and a half hours later.
After spreading the seeds, cover it with a tissue paper. And after covering with a tissue, just sprinkle some water on top of it.
Six hours
Well, you
later.
must store these microgreens for a day or two in a really dark place, like there should be no sunlight. Like, don't try to keep it outside because, well, due to high evaporation rate, the tissue will get dried soon. So try to keep it in a dark place. And make sure that the tissue is wet at all times.
Day 2. Day 3.
Well, after 3 days there's really nice growth in it.
Eventually.
Well, you can see that the leaves are yellow or white because they were kept indoors. They didn't do any kind of photosynthesis. So I'm gonna keep these outdoors for 2 hours. Well, you can see there's fungus and mold formed in this fenugreek.
Two hours later.
The mustard grew quite well, and there was fenugreek with fungus in it, and the green gram which sprouted really well. Well, since I used a lot of seeds in it, only a few were able to let leaves out.
Later.
If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and do leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.